Unong ilam ke Kongres ha gejala u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulong ba manlang kiseng san perthai kidon banbu Ahmad ya kejing mentoi ki pajba bat ke Kongres hadu mentah kale ya kata bat kumno banyada ki pajba ke jela ulong bakum kinong ilam ke parti ha gejala kinpen sngo ha ulong ilam ke All India Congress Committee umanis chatrat ya kejing dan kam ke jela bat kumjo ha kathai North East bat kumju banyakren kumno ban penklan shisho ke parti ulong bahak sensyar pajba kalong ka badan kam ban penklan ke parti namar lada don kano ke parti ke baklan bat yo pensensyar ke jelaru ka klan ha ke baidi ber ka kam nongilam ke MPCC u Dr. Mukul ulayat ho ba nakaliang presiden ba menta u Dr. Silisti Lingdo ulapan pau bagasyang hakarai jang ka All India Congress Committee ban pelat yu nakakam.
Mr. Manish Chatrat is our in charge. And when we say our in charge, mean he represents the Honorable Congress President. And after he has been vested with this responsibility, December was the month when he wanted to pay a visit. In fact, though he has visited Shillong and Meghalaya a number of times earlier, in different capacity, but as in charge it would have been a maiden visit, but we somehow deferred the timing, so he has indicated that January first fortnight will be more appropriate, and therefore he is here with all of us. We'll interact, we'll follow up with number of issues which are before us, the issues pertaining to the issues at the national level, the issues pertaining to the issues which are of regional nature, meaning the northeastern issues pertaining to different parts of the northeastern region, and also the issues pertaining to the state of Meghalaya vis-a-vis our political strategy, which of course we will not share with all of you, but obviously as a party how we respond to a given situation and fulfill our purpose as responsible political party. Every political party in our given democracy is required to keep the larger interests of the people and the state before anything else. So that is how we will be approaching. And on number of issues, how we should be proceeding further, how we should strategize in a manner that help the state and protect the interests of the people in the state. So all these things, since he's our new in charge, it's important for him to get acclimatized, though he is aware of number of issues, since he is in AICC and he used to be in the whole I must say the control room of AICC, and then he has been visiting the state along with other in charge, his predecessors to be more precise. Therefore he is more or less acclimatized. But as we know, there are dynamics of politics and issues which keeps on unfolding as we march ahead. Therefore this exercise is a continuous exercise, and we will also look at how to see the strategy which is considered appropriate for further strengthening our party. In a democracy, strengthening political parties is very crucial. If political parties who are given the mandate and assume the responsibility of the governance is strong, then the state is going to be strong. That's what I used to always share with everyone. So nobody should say that, okay, strengthening the political party is none of their business. It's everybody's business in a democracy. So I think it is therefore important for us to do all that is necessary to strengthen our political organization, our political party, Indian National Congress, which has withstood the test of time and is on in circulation, and we are there to serve. Now, I think you must be able to read between the lines. When we are talking about strengthening the party, it revolves around it encompasses everything that is considered what is to be done. So one important thing which I shouldn't share with you, but I'm tempted to share, is that our PCC president, Dr. Celestine Lingdo, has expressed his desire to get the approval of the High Command, the Honorable Congress President, to get him relieved. In fact, he has been speaking to us for quite some time. It's not just now, November, December. But anyway, we are all required to shoulder our responsibility as long as possible. So he has been requested. But the fact is that we are looking at how collectively we decide to see if he has to be relieved and how best we can do that. Those are in natural expected line of discussion. I think you can understand that. No, those are internal things, internal party matters. How we do, we have an inherent system which has withstood the test of time, and we will follow that. Okay.